everybody. So in this video I'm going to show you all how I'm going to make bird costume. So bird costume தான் நான் செய்ய போறேன். Jenny is having fancy dress competition at school. So fancy dress competition school இருக்கு. So concept என்னன்னா birds. So birds is a concept. Any birds. So my plan is to make her as a crow because it's very easy. அது ஈஸியா இருக்கு. ஒரு black wig போட்டுட்டு ஒரு black color top and pant அப்படி போட்டு விட்டோம்னாவே போதும். And she knows thirsty crow. So concept is easy. But she needs a colorful bird it means. So my cow is red in color with colorful wings. So that's what I'm going to make today. Now let's see how I'm going to do it.
Next.
And speak. And fruit eat.
I eat fruits and nuts.
And fruit and nuts.
I'm red in color
And red in color.
with colorful wings. The பறந்து காட்டு. Fly. பின்னால போக காட்டு.